Hey Howard, this package just arrived from the DoubleTree Hotel. It's addressed to me, but I'll let you open it.
That's big of you.
I think the reason why the DoubleTree sent us something is on our packing here that we use on our Washington hand press. It has an advertisement for the DoubleTree from 2007.
That was a good year.
Well, I wonder what it could be.
Paper.
Looks like a bunch of
chocolate
cookies.
chip soft cookies. And looks like a tin of cookies.
Well, wonderful. There's
Oh, and even more. Make sure we didn't miss something there. Sacramento History Museum. This stay belongs to, oh, this is, my word.
looks like some stickers.
I was going to say a room key, but this looks like a gift certificate for a room. Several.
Yeah, these are gift certificates for free rooms.
As a token of our appreciation, we want to extend a warm welcome to your team at any of our properties worldwide. We also hope you enjoy both our original and allergy-friendly cookies. Thank you for including us in your important work, DoubleTree.
I think there's also a message on here that we'll need to print, so we'll have to set up for that. Well, thank you, DoubleTree.
Yes.
Thank you so much, and thank you for your support and always being with us in our videos from the Washington hand press.
Let's get it right.
Yep. We received a nice package in the mail from the DoubleTree by Hilton. And along with the cookies that we received, it included a little message wondering if we could print it. And we actually hopefully can here. I found a font. We have about 350 different fonts here in the shop, but not a whole lot of the same font to print anything really substantial. So luckily there was enough type for this. This is 60-point Caslon. I'm printing this here on our Washington hand press, which was made in 1852. Of course, this type is so large we can't use our original packing that we have that has the DoubleTree advertisement on it. That little message is a little reminder for when you check in at a DoubleTree that there are two sweet options, allergy-friendly and original cookies that you'll choose at check-in. Thank you, DoubleTree. Press the red button, Howard.